Let's read along. Fiery furnace. Daniel chapter 3. King Nebuchadnezzar's army had defeated the Israelites. Now he was their ruler. King Nebuchadnezzar built a golden statue. Then he made a bad law. It said, when the music plays, everyone must bow down and worship the statue. Those who disobey will be thrown into the fiery furnace. The music began to play. The people fell down and worshipped the statue. But Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused. We only worship the true God, they said. The king was mad. The king said, make the furnace extra hot. He had 3 men thrown inside. Yet, when the king looked into the furnace, there were 4 men walking around. One of them looked like an angel from God. The king shouted to the man, come out! Your God has saved you. The fire had not hurt them. They did not even smell like smoke. So the king made them rulers in his kingdom. The end.